Welcome to Dave's Diaries in France. Enjoy the video. Welcome back to Dave's Diaries in France. It's Wednesday, the 22nd of April. I'm in the do-rubber today. Oh, hey. I've got a little bag of cement. I need to, it's very windy today, by the way. I've got to fill in this wall as much as I can. With a little bit of cement that I've got. This is all epoxied in, so that's not going to move anywhere. And do a bit of a repair work on this one. Not too much. Fill a bit down here. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see how I get on. I'll try and film it, but... And a bit there. I think that's it. Yeah, obviously these weren't built to last. And maybe a bit over here. Let's see how I get on. But it takes 30 minutes to set this concrete. I've got to move rapid with it. So I'm going to crack on. I've got this stuff. That stuff. Whether it's the right stuff or not, I don't know. Let's see how we get on.
Can I ask you, if you're enjoying these videos, give me a like, subscribe, and put a comment in. Much appreciated.
Well, that's my job done for today. I'm not sure whether I caught it or not, because I'm not sure whether I turned my camera on, so I won't know until I've seen the footage. But all this needs is roughing up and then painting over the top. That's just got to set. Same over here. Here. Everywhere there's a crack. Okay. I might have to revisit that later. But, yeah. I've also done the front as well, not that you can see. I mean, you may be able to see. But the wall is in such a state, so I've tried to patch it up where I can. here, 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 down here too. I'm not a concrete specialist, I'm not a builder, so I just watch a few videos and get tips. That's all I do. Right, it's time. Now, I've done that, I've ran out of concrete. I'm gonna lock up and get my way home. Had a lovely lunch, by the way, in one of the restaurants near Laval. It's actually San Bertivan. Really nice. And half a pint of IPA, which is not good. Anyway, and this one's looking really good, aren't you, little one? You can't wait to get home, can you? He's been excellent. The wife tells me, you got to build up your emotion because we are going to leave him. He's going to leave us. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure whether I told you before. All Handi-Chien dogs, if they're Labradors, which most of them are, have to go through an Xray process to have a look at their hips to see whether they've got a deformity. It's a standard process, and apparently Labradors do suffer from hip issues later in life. But they have to be diagnosed early, a year old or something like that. Autumn had his X-ray done last week, and he's A1. A1 means A-OK. There's nothing, no hip-related issues with him whatsoever. So, looks like we're going to lose him. If he fails the program, we'll have him back. If he continues with the program, he's going to school June, 2 months. So he leaves us in 2 months to go to Handi-Chien school, and if he passes that, he's gone. Sad times. Really sad times. For me anyway, because I'm the emotional git for some reason. Only happens later in life. Anyway, I'm going to knock it on the head. I'm going to tidy up here, put stuff away, load the van, and get out of here. So I'll catch you later.